YouTube changed my life with less than 500 subscribers. It might sound a little bit dramatic, but it's true. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I have seen a lot of videos like these. And it often made me think, yeah sure, YouTube changes people's lives all the time. But at 500 subscribers, there is no way. YouTube is not only for introverts. First I thought YouTube is a place for extroverts. For people that are good at talking to other people, which I am not. But let me tell you, YouTube is not just for the extroverts. As an introvert myself, I might have much to say, but I have so much to share. I like to document my life, share my thoughts, share my study journey, and I like to share my hobbies, like jewelry making for example. That is also why I don't have a clear niche. I simply share what I like. And this is no YouTube advice. You probably should have a niche, but I like to create what I like to see. But I don't want to limit myself to a niche. And I still have a long way to go. YouTube is such a great outlet for me, and this is just the beginning. I have so much more to learn and so much more to share. What YouTube has taught me. YouTube allows me to experiment, come out of my comfort zone, to get better at communicating. I am improving my English as a non-native speaker, and I am slowly becoming more confident on camera. I still cringe at my own voice when I listen to voiceovers. But hey, who doesn't? It has gotten so much better already. With only a handful of videos. Not only is YouTube helping me with my social skill set, but it is also about all of the other skills. Practicing your hobbies again, like jewelry making, editing videos, working with Photoshop and Lightroom, working on your appearance by just simply taking care of yourself. People don't realize it, but with skills such as video editing, you could start a whole new career. So if you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I think you should just do it. What I want to improve. I want to make more vlogs. I love to document my life for myself, to look back on those memories. I see it as a way of journaling, but then with video. But I still feel so much shame in vlogging in public, or even around my family. And I don't know why, I just feel so embarrassed. And it will be a huge milestone for me, for my own personal growth, to let go of that shame. It would be nice if I could just pick up my camera and start talking to the camera like how I talk to my pets, for example. I also want to make more talking head videos, like this one. I want to improve my speaking and my presentation skills. Seriously guys, making a talking head video like this is way harder than it looks like. The next thing I want to improve on is consistency. I am a student and I have to study really hard for my grades. And school will always be my #1 priority. But eventually I want to get better at planning and be able to post 1 video per week. And the final aspect I want to improve on is the quality of my videos by investing into a camera and microphone, because right now I am using my old crusty phone that I have for years. I don't think I have anything else to say. I think that's it. I am glad I stepped out of my comfort zone today by filming my stupid talking head video. If you watched my videos before, thank you so much. And if you watched this video to the end, thank you so much as well. I really appreciate your time. And if you have ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, let this be your sign to do it. Speaking is exhausting.